How's the Heart Acoustic? Let's stick. Do you want to stick to the same show? Might as well. All right.
Planet Rock.
What?
Yelled at.
Oh yeah, the chat is delayed.
We see a mother with no child. We meet a stranger, poor exiled. How's the heart while it still beats? Asks and no one, another John Doe. Sorrow hides well in your shell. A fellow man with her to spare. Here I am to share the fear, an act of kindness without a name. And how's the heart underneath the silence? How's the one drowning in the mire? Let us down to human pain. Come in, the fire's warm, burn the rope and add some more.
God, this makes me want to play acoustic guitar.
I loved when you would just sit there and play guitar.
We met where the cliff greets the sea. Shared a story, took the lead. Rose uprooted, hidden out. You know where you've been there. Now there's one who came from me, a child of light, another tale. Dear one, night will come, but not to stay. Oh, why? The answer's in the how's the heart underneath the silence? How's the one drowning in the mire? Let us sound a human pain. Come in, the fire's warm, burn the rope and then some more. Fair winds smile on.
I still get.
Fly towards the cold.
What did you say? I'm sorry.
I still don't get how she pulls that off.
Dude,
That voice, man.
I fucking love her so much.
Yeah,
I
no.
can't. It just sounds, I don't like, I don't know. I don't want to sound stupid, so I won't say it. But like, it's just like so, oh God, it's majestic. Like this acoustic version. Sorry, I'm really feeling it.
Oh, Bridget's feeling it now too, guys.
Fly towards
Sorry.
the
I don't know how to use the
cold.
keyboard.
Fly your darling arms towards a beating heart, a beating heart. How is the heart underneath the silence? How's the one drowning in the mire? Let us sound a human paean. Come on in, the fire's warm. How is the heart underneath the silence? How's the one drowning in the mire? Let us sound a human paean. Come on in, the fire's warm. How's the heart underneath the silence?
love that.
How's the one drowning in the mire? Let us sound human paean. Come on in. How's the heart underneath the silence? How's the one drowning in the mire? Let us sound human paean. Come in, the fire's warm, by the rope and then some. How's the heart? How's the one drowning
Guys,
Oh my God.
I'm literally just heavy breathing into the mic the last 45. No, I really was. I was just thinking, I'm like, oh, I'm literally just like,
You can probably hear you breathing.
I wasn't. I didn't expect it to go that full fucking force.
Wait, so, oh my God, dude.
Beautiful.
It's such a, it's so powerful. Oh, I
Oh my
can't.
God, it's beautiful. The tone. Somebody said too, the tone of that guitar in that,
Yeah.
fucking
no.
amazing. I do love that.